If you have purchased a phone number or you want to purchase a phone number, it's pretty simple and it's a lot of fun to just go to settings, phone numbers, and then add number. And you can spend some time filtering and searching and sorting. Under the filter option, we typically do local phone numbers. And then I ended up searching some keywords. You can search, you can find things by area code, you can find things by keywords. And then I was just plugging them into ChatGPT to see what those words spelled. I ended up coming up with this phone number here, which is 854 win kiss, WINKISS, because you win when you keep it simple and just sell, KISS, or keep it simple, sister. So I'm going to go with that, but I have to do ATP. And this is really important. So after you buy the number, it's going to say start your ATP registration. I want you to follow the document I'm about to give you because this will make sure you are approved and you don't waste a bunch of time. So let's dive in a little bit more and get you registered. A2P registration can be simplified with today's training. Welcome, my name's Kathy Callahan, and we are so excited to bring the Strategy Studio to you. You can go grab your account at strategystudio.tech if you happen to need one. Now, the video I actually got this training from is from Talon Alpin, and I will reference this video. It was very basic. It helped me help some clients, and so we're just going to reference that. He gave us a cheat sheet, some pre-builds, and so that's where we are accessing everything I'm sharing with you today, or that's where we first learned it. Now, High Level itself does have a guide, so you can go to gohighlevel.com, go to their support section. You can search A2P 10DLC for best practices as well. But when I find something that works, I just really don't need to change the system. So you're welcome to use this if you would like. I'm just going to use the cheat sheet that worked well for us, and that is what we're going to go on today. So first things first, what does it stand for? And what is the goal? The biggest thing here, application to person 10-digit long code, is really just a way to make sure we're not spamming people through text, okay? So you can read about what you need to know, why this is all necessary. You don't need to worry about the snapshot link. That's actually something I can put into your account. And we just want to use the templates. This is where we're going to be paying attention. These are the things that if you don't do them correctly, that's where it can take forever to get your A2P approved. So we just need to go down here to start registering now. And it says, is this business entity you're registering located in the US or Canada? Mine is. Go to the next question. Does this business have a registered tax ID? Mine does. You may be an LLC. I'm an LLC with an S Corp election. I have an EIN. Okay, so I need to go grab that. If not, just choose no, your business does not have tax ID. Go to the next page. I need to fill in my business name. I'm going to pause. Fill out this form, what the information is, how it's applicable to your business type. If you have a registration type ID, for mine, it was an EIN. Your EIN number or registration number, you can read there the industry that best fits your business email, your website, and where your business is operating out of. As you continue the business details, you'll need to fill in your business address on the next page. Fill in the contact information, and then you are ready for the next step. Now, as we go through this, keep in mind that this is really for making sure people are doing business with their business texting and phone numbers, and we're not spamming people. So it is inconvenient, but it is for better deliverability and more trust. There is a cost to this A2P. You, on the next page, will see I acknowledge brand and campaign registration one-time fee of basically $25 will be charged. Additional $3 for fast track program, which is included to help in getting campaign approved in 3 working days. So if you want it faster. Campaign fee will also be charged in the case of campaign failures and resubmissions. So we really want to do this correctly. Additional campaign fee of $11.02 per month will apply in accordance with TCR rules for both failed and approved campaigns. Now, and I'm sorry, up to. This is not something that we can do anything about. If you want to text, this is just something we have to agree with. And so you can decide if you are doing low volume. If you're doing high volume, you can look at how the pricing changes down there. Up to 6,000 segments per day, 1 phone number, and EIN required for registration. Now this is because of my business type, might be different information once you get to that page. Next is the campaign details. This is where we're going to use that cheat sheet, okay? So we're going to go with what's recommended, use case details. Let's come over here. We're just simply going to copy here and paste here. They do have an example for you as well, okay? But we're going to use a cheat sheet. What we want to pay attention to, it says users opt in when they go to our website. That means you're not just buying phone numbers, you actually have people opting in. And it says they use this form here. So this form here, we actually have put into your account. So I'm going to make a duplicate. If you happen to not have this for any reason, you can simply request that we add this to your account. At strategystudio.tech, you can log in, you can message, email any of the emails we've sent you, or you can also ask through the group. So we want to go back and we want to go into our sites and we want to look at, we have had this set up for you already, okay? So what you're going to be looking for when you get to sites under funnels, you're looking for this A2P folder that should be in your account. There are terms and conditions. This is one piece of what we're going to be using. Under sites and then forms, we're also looking for the A2P compliance form, and that's what we're going to grab right now. So we're going to click on that. If this is not loaded into your account, please remember to request it. We're going to go to integrate at the top right. We are going to go to the share option and we're going to copy this link here. We're going to head back and we are going to paste that right there. That is our opt-in form. And then we are going to go to the next one, which is a sample message. We can pull this right here. We will need to fill in the blanks. So make sure that you do fill in the blanks. All right, and then sample message number 2, same thing, just copy, and then we want to fill in the blanks. The biggest thing that they're wanting to do here is make sure that you are addressing people by name, that you are letting them know who the message is coming from, and that you're giving them an option to opt out at each time when you initiate messages, okay? We can leave those at the bottom the way they are. Hit continue, and now user consent. Cheat sheet, we're going to pull right here. We are going to grab that form again. This campaign sends communication, and then it says how they book a call, opt-in message, or how they get into our lists. Opt-in message right here. And then this is where we want to put our company name. All right, so now we're going to go back. We're going to double check because if we submit this and it is not correct, we're going to have a long minute. So use case, let's go ahead and double check use case. Campaign sends appointments and two-way communication between our team and customers. Users opt in when they go to our website and fill out the information on this form to book a call to speak with one of our team members. Now, if you have your own form, you can put that in there or you can use the one that was provided. On this page, they have to agree to, and then that information, okay? And we filled in with our form. Next, sample message, we edited with our name and business name. Sample message 2, same thing. And then on how do leads consent to receive messages, we want to, oops, I guess I didn't save that. I get to type that again. Once you've confirmed, you're going to hit submit. Okay, so we have successfully submitted and now we are in the wait process. It says that we can come back. Brand approval might take up to 7 days, could take as little or as much as, I think it said 2 to 3 weeks. It disappeared so quickly. They are moving really quickly from what we've seen before. It's in process here. It will let us know if this got approved, okay? And you will get notified if you have any problems. You can always come back here as well. Go to the Trust Center to see where things are at. If there's anything here that needs to be reviewed and resubmitted, that's where you'll be notified. So if I refresh and I just go over to the phone numbers area through the settings option, I can always get back to this area here. Up at the top, when you want to get to the Trust Center, you'll click on Trust Center and you will see the page that we're looking at to see what the updates are. After that, you'll be able to start using your phone numbers. I do have automations set up with texting and the text messages simply just cannot go out yet until I get that information or get that phone number approved. So if you don't yet have an account with us, head over to strategystudio.tech, get your own account, and you will get put into this automation here. And so soon those text messages will be able to go through, which will be really, really great. Again, thank you for joining me today to learn how to buy a phone number, get your ATP registration done, hopefully in the most efficient and painless way possible. If you want to check out more of my trainings, you can go to strategystudio.tech. You can also find us on YouTube, strategystudio.tech. You will find different trainings that I've uploaded along with a challenge we're currently doing, live working sessions for our studio members, free public trainings such as my virtual event, lead generation, email automation, posting and planning trainings, and so much more to come. All right, welcome to the new way. We don't just build businesses, we build people. We know you don't need more information, you need direction. Visit us at strategystudio.tech, or I'll see you inside the next training. Please like and subscribe and tell a friend. That's it. Bye for now.